fucking sweater on for this today too. This is gonna work. Okay. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Has like this little weird. I don't know what the fuck that's about. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna just show y'all, like in the box first. See if you can guess what this is. I can guess what this is. You probably have no fucking clue. But actually, somebody probably does, bro. Actually, this is weird. This is a lot different than the promo boxes that I see a lot of people getting. Ah, shit. Okay, this feels actually very high quality. That's it. Zoom in on that. All right, I guess this is Apex Tuesday / Astro Boy unboxing. See, I got the 10. Yes, I'm scared. How do I open this box though? About time this shit fucking came in. I've been waiting 8 weeks. Imagine, like it was. I mean, it's not like it was a whole lot. It ain't like it was like $89,000, but it was enough to where after 8 weeks you're like, what the fuck? Where's my shit? 8 weeks is a long time. But let's see if it's worth 8 weeks. Let's see if the quality was worth 8 weeks. God damn it, I'm trying to open the box. It ain't easy. They say putting on and taking off the shoes is hard. Okay, so boom. It smells like Jordans though. Like when you buy Jordans. So boom. Y'all see that? Inside of the box. I don't know how many people showed the actual inside of the box. Ain't shit in here. Just whatever. Been waiting for this. Been waiting for this. But yeah, like I said, I don't know if this would actually be something that I wear. So at this point, if you see the front of it, you probably know what this is. Yeah. Yes, sir, scared. Alright. They cool though, they pretty cool. They're really not as big as I thought they would be. Yes, sir. I already know. So these the big red boots that everybody was going crazy over a few months ago. I'm surprised. They smell like they were just painted though. That's interesting. I'm very surprised at the size. Like this is my head, right? I don't know if I gotta get better at making thumbnails, right? Because I have some good ass thumbnails. I just can never get to like the exact ones I like. But yeah, they good. They not super big either. These the 10s, so you know. I'm about 5'10". This is on my shoulder, like next to my head. So they decent size, but yeah, they kind of cool. I'm definitely going out for the Javonta and Ryan fight this weekend, but I don't think I can wear these, bro. I just don't think I can. It just seems like a weird thing. Oh, this is something I haven't seen people post either, right? So can y'all get that? Matter of fact, I want to make sure you get it, because that way this video will be unique. All right, hold on. Okay. So yeah, I got the light on my phone. So inside the shoe, you can see it says 10. Let's see if the camera will focus. So it says 10, and also it says made in China. That's what it says on the inside. So pretty cool. Honestly, more than anything, just a collectible. Like I might wear them once, but I really might not. Oh, interesting material. It's like a foam, but a stiff foam. But all right, that's cool, man. GG's MSCHF. I appreciate y'all. You know what I mean? Took forever, but much appreciated. Wait, is that like what the fuck is that? Okay. It seems like a smudge. But yeah, so how it smells, it's like it was painted recently. Like these were probably one of the first pairs to, because I know I was the first group of people who got it. So, you know. But all right, cool. Back to Apex. Put this back in the box. Now like the packaging though. I had seen it before. I seen Skinbone when he got some. Seen his YouTube video, and they were pretty cool. So, you know, I like the packaging. I mean, I don't bought like super expensive stuff to like stuff to this level where it's like maybe $300. It's pretty much. I mean, I think it makes sense for the price point. You know, the materials and everything. Close this fucking box. That's weird. It reminds me of the old iPhone boxes where like you gotta close but it got all the air in it. All right. Anyway, back to work we go.